This is a interesting business. It really is. Doing internet marketing, PLR, and stuff. So my plan of action was to make a video for the sales page and put that up and make the sales letter, get ThriveCart done so this thing is ready to go. And so here's what happened. I'll show you inside and outside and everything, all sides of what happened. I finished it, but it didn't go as planned. I'm Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Get that checklist, and when you get the checklist, you get on my email list and you'll find out how to do this business. You're not going to get a lot of email unless I do a series like this where I'm doing an email every day, and it keeps you in the loop. Really good emails, and it'll really help you in your business. So this is ThriveCart, and things have changed. So instead of having a video up here, I had a video up there, I have a headline, a buy button. It looks like this, and they click on that and it flies down to here. So here's the sales letter. When you download Build Your List and Orders, you receive 6 of the printable handy cheat sheets to refer over and over again. So these are really good cheat sheets, and I'm going to show you how to get it for free if you're watching this video. You're going to get the perfect offer cheat sheet. That's my favorite one. It shows you how to make the perfect offer. And there are 6 cheat sheets. Normally, if you would get this from me without the coupon, this will be $7. Still, it's not a lot of money, but you get all of these. You get the infographic cheat sheet, the worksheet, the template cheat sheet. That's also a really great one. I love templates. I use them all the time. The swipe file cheat sheet, the checklist planner cheat sheets. You know, I don't know if your desk is just filled with lists of things to do. This that one planner will show you how not to have a desk full of pieces of paper all over the place with lists. And the documents and forms. You know, what kind of documents do you need in your business? This shows you what you really need to do. And you'll read this and you'll find out why I have all these things for you. So if you have a coupon code, and there is one below this video, click on that and you put that in there, and you see it says $7. You click apply, and it's 0. Free. You put your name, email, and if you want it just to get the first 6, complete the order, it's yours. Now, for an extra $6, you'll get the rest. You just click on this, and it'll just be $6. Cheat sheet number 7 is the email mini course. Number 8 is the swipe file cheat sheet. Number 9 is the Condendios cheat sheet. It's all about videos. I don't know where he came up with that name, but it's about videos, and I love it. Number 10 is the process and mind maps. I use mind maps all the time. Number 11 is for the group coaching, and number 12 is the article library cheat sheet. So for $6 with the coupon, you get all 13 cheat sheets, the 12 cheat sheets, and the perfect offer cheat sheet. So you get everything for $6. Get it? So that was kind of easy. With the extra video, I might put that in a week or two. I won't have the time. I'll put that into the sales page. But you see how easy this is. This is not that hard. And of course, I didn't have to change a lot for the PLR. I just changed the stuff at the bottom. I took out a line and I put in my logo, and I took out Jimmy's logo. So it was pretty easy. So next week, I'll show you how to do this with a bigger type of PLR where I don't know what I'll do, but maybe I'll make a whole new product out of it. We'll see what it looks like. So stay on this journey. If you're not on my email list, click on that link, get the free checklist, not this one, but the one from PLR Ideas. You'll get on my email list and you'll be in the loop on how to use PLR, where to get it, how to buy it, and how to make money in this business. Whether you're an internet marketer or a PLR user or both, this is the channel that I combine everything. So I am Bryan Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR, and we'll talk soon.